ഈ ഓണം ആഘോഷിക്കാം ചെന്നൈ സിൽക്സിനൊപ്പം. ഫോർ മോർ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ലിങ്ക് ഇൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ.
People spot me like this, Goda girl, Aditi Singh. Because I've received so much love from Kerala that when I go to Kerala, I always get very happy vibes. Something that I don't like about Kerala, I think maybe I'm not getting enough offers from Kerala. I wish that Angamali Diaries, Anthony Vergis's role was mine and it was a girl.
Oh my goodness.
Things, I feel that this lockdown has made me a better person.
Does that make like you were a bad girl before, now I become a good girl?
I'm a bad guy.
If you get an opportunity to marry a Malayali.
Mamana ode onnam tonnale makkale.
Wonderful. That's really nice. Hi, hello Behind Woods Eyes viewers. Welcome to our show Little Chat with Litz. 2017 ബേസിൽ ജോസഫ് സംവിധാനം ചെയ്ത് നമുക്ക് സമ്മാനിച്ച ചിത്രമാണ് ഗോദ. ഗോദയിലൂടെ മലയാള സിനിമയിലേക്ക് കടന്നു വന്ന സുന്ദരിയാണ് വാമിക ഗാബി. അപ്പോൾ ഇന്ന് നമ്മളുടെ ഗസ്റ്റ് ദ ബോൾഡ് ആൻഡ് ദ ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ വാമിക ഗാബിയാണ്. വാമിക ഗാബി, വെൽക്കം ടു ദ ഷോ ലിറ്റിൽ ചാറ്റ് വിത്ത് ലിറ്റ്സ്.
Hello. I am so happy to be here.
So excited to have you here.
I am so excited.
Okay, so for Malayalis, it's like Vamika Gabi. Okay, so that is a bit of a twist for us. So they call you as the Goda girl. Do you know that?
I know that. So even when I come to Kerala, people spot me like this, Goda girl, Aditi Singh. So I know, and I feel really happy.
Okay. So how are you spending your lockdown days? What activities do you do?
This is the activity that
I see some. Okay, I see somebody really cute there. What is the story behind this cute guy?
So I had a call where they wanted me to post about her, and because nobody was adopting her, so I asked them, "Ki what's her story, right? Like how did you rescue her and all of that?" And then I got to know that her mother died in a road accident. And
Oh my God.
her siblings, two of them were also 15-20 days, and they died. The other two were boys, so they were obviously adopted. And because she's a girl, and dogs also have periods, so I think girls are a little high maintenance. So nobody was adopting her. So I thought maybe God wants me to adopt her. So I adopted her.
That's cute. That's a cutie you have here. Okay. That's really nice, and that's so nice of you, Vamika. Okay, so let's talk about what happened after Goda. After Goda, you were completely missing from scenes down. You were there in South, but not in Malayalam industry. We would like to see more of you.
Yes, thank you. No, I did one film after Goda, which was called Nine. With Prithvi Raj sir.
Nine.
And I think after Goda, Nine was the kind of film that I'm just so happy about that, I was approached for the part. It was a very different film. So for Malayalam, I don't want to do anything which I don't believe in. So I want to do only good films in Malayalam. Films that Anyway, Malayalam films, all the Malayalam films are good. But I think I have a little soft corner for Malayalam films, and I would like to keep it like that. The next one also that I'm going to do, I hope that it's as good as Goda or Nine.
Okay. So how did this Goda thing happen? Because you were already there in the movie scenes. You were doing in Punjabi. I think you were already a star before you came here, right?
Okay.
Yeah, to be humble, yes, okay.
Yeah,
if you say so, I understand.
I have done a few films in Punjab also. Not a few. I mean, I've done most films in Punjab only. And before coming to Malayalam, I had done a lot of films in Punjab, and I still continue to do so. But Godha, they approached me because they saw one of my Tamil films, which is my first Tamil film. I mean, that's the only Tamil film that I've done. That is Malinirthe Maikam. So they saw that, and the director Basil Joseph and the producer Sarthi sir, they came to meet me and they said that we think that you can do this. I read Godha, and it was a beautiful character, beautiful film, and nothing similar to my Tamil film. So I was like, I remember asking them this. I was like, why do you want me to do this?
Me,
It's
okay.
such a good part, such a good film. Why do you think I can do this? And
Okay.
I remember the producer and the director saying that we have belief in you, we have faith in you, we know you can do it.
Uh-huh.
We know that you can do it. I was like, okay, if you think I can
Okay.
do it, then I can do it.
I can do it.
I was very
Okay.
scared, wrestling and all that. I didn't know if I'll be able to do it. I didn't know if I'll be able to learn it. But it all went well. People loved it. I'm really happy.
Yeah. And you became the Goda girl of all the Malayalis.
Oh, yes.
Oh yeah, that's great. So no, tell me about three in Malayalis. No, describe Malayalis to me in 3 words.
Okay, I don't know how to describe Malayalis, but I'll tell you when I think of Kerala, what
Yeah.
comes to my mind.
Yeah.
Really tasty fish
Uh-huh.
and parantha, okay,
Okay.
and Varkala Beach.
Uh-huh. Okay. That's
These are
really
the these are the three things that come to my mind.
so tell me about one thing that you really loved about Kerala and one thing you didn't like so much about Kerala.
There's so many things that I really like,
Okay.
especially because I've received so much love from Kerala that when I go to Kerala, I always get very happy vibes, very positive vibes. You know what? I think
Uh-huh.
I love the cinema of Kerala,
Yeah,
which is
okay.
Malayalam cinema. I think
Uh,
obviously there are a lot of states, Telugu films and Tamil films and other films also, but I think Malayalam cinema is very sensible, is very experimental and is very fearless. You know,
okay.
they just make. I mean, obviously other films also do, but I think Malayalam cinema is fearless. So I
Okay.
like that. It's very experimental.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now about Kerala, I think because I've been to Trivandrum, I love the beaches. I just love the beaches of Kerala. Beautiful, clean
Okay.
beaches. I love that. Something that I don't like about Kerala,
Okay.
I don't know. I think maybe I'm not getting enough offers from Kerala.
Okay, so this is a big shout out. We should see more of Vyamika down here. So please,
Yes,
directors, please take a note of this. Yeah.
I'm a very hardworking girl. If I think people
Uh-huh.
thought that after Godha, because I played a Punjabi girl, I thought that
Uh-huh.
people thought that I won't be able to speak Punjabi. I won't be able to speak Malayalam. But in nine,
Okay.
I spoke Malayalam, and I think
Malayalam.
I was good with
Yeah.
my Malayalam.
So how are you spending your lockdown days?
Well, I am very happy that I came to Punjab. Why? I actually came here only for 2 days, but
Okay.
the lockdown happened and I got stuck here.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm very, very happy that I got stuck here because
Okay.
I rented a beautiful house here. I have 3 dogs and I'm living very
Mm-hmm.
peaceful life here. I'm glad I'm not in
Okay.
Bombay because Bombay is in a
Mm.
very bad shape right now. I hope it
Yeah,
recovers
yeah, yeah.
soon. And also I'm with my family, so it's better being with family than being alone. So
Right, right, right. Okay, so I know your love for your pets. Are the guys somewhere close by? Can we have a look at them?
one
Yes.
is
You can just.
Phoebe.
Oh yes.
She's called
Okay.
her name is Phoebe. His
Phoebe.
name is his name is Gabbar,
Gabbar.
and you've met the small one,
Uh-huh.
but we haven't decided her name. So
Okay. Okay.
we're gonna give her another month. Where is he?
Mhm.
I mean, where is she?
Okay.
She's
Okay.
so
Let's
small, you know.
find.
She's just
Yeah.
25 days old, and she just
Mhm.
disappears. Like she
Okay.
just goes anywhere. Ah,
Okay. Finally.
look.
Let's find her out. Yay. Okay. So sweet. So sweet.
Yeah. So,
Okay. I know you are a singer as well. So can you sing your favorite song for us?
Abhi, I'll just sing whatever is coming to my mind.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna be very bad, and I'm not a singer. Okay, stop making me sing.
Singer. That's okay.
रोज शाम आती थी मगर ऐसी ना थी, रोज रोज घटा छाती थी मगर ऐसी ना थी। बस इतना ही,
Talia,
इतने पैसे
Talia.
में इतना ही।
Talia. Okay, we don't have a big crowd, but still, lot of claps, lot of claps.
No, you are big enough
Okay, okay,
to clap.
okay, okay. So then, I would ask you, one role you really, really wanted to do.
There's a lot of
Uh-huh.
things that I want to do. Okay,
Okay.
I'll tell you my filmy girl.
Okay.
Filmy girl.
Yeah. Come on.
I wish that Angamali Diaries,
Uh.
Anthony Vergis's role was mine and it was a girl.
Oh my goodness. I appreciate that. We should do something like that in Malayalam.
So
Yeah.
something, a film like that with that pace, something like that with a girl. So I want to be that girl.
So, all the best for that.
Thank you.
The most spontaneous thing you have ever done.
Spontaneous thing. Okay. So
Yeah.
basically, when
Okay.
lockdown happened,
Uh-huh.
before lockdown happened, I
Okay.
had no plans of coming here to Punjab.
Okay.
But something happened that in just I just made up this decision in like half an hour, and I booked my tickets and I came to Punjab, and this proved to be my best decision, that I was not stuck in
Uh-huh.
Bombay but here with my family. I am look, I'll tell you. In Bombay, I was obviously staying in a flat. Here I
Mhm.
have this this is the ground that I have. So I'm enjoying here with my dogs.
Oh.
So I am really glad that I came here than there. But otherwise, I'll tell you, last year I made a lot of spontaneous and random trips to Goa.
Okay.
Like at night, I'm thinking that let's just like I want to go somewhere, and you just book the ticket, and
Uh-huh.
I just went to Goa. This happened 3 times.
Chalo Goa.
Another
Uh-huh.
thing that I am really happy about is my Africa trip. So I
Uh-huh.
was trying ki okay, let's do I want to go somewhere. I want to go somewhere.
Mhm.
And first we thought Bangkok, then Singapore, and I'm so glad that Africa came to my mind, and
Okay.
just we just did everything in like a few days, and I just went to Africa. So oh, thank God I went there in 2019.
Yes. How was the trip and where which places did you visit? Did you get to see the tiger safari? Did you
Oh
go for a
yes,
safari and all that?
yes, yes. So that's the only thing I went there for. We
Uh-huh.
went to Masai. I went to Masai Mara and
Okay.
Kenya. It's in Kenya. So I went there and we did the Masai Mara jungle safari. I also did the hot balloon safari. Oh my God,
Oh.
what an experience I had! And we were
Uh-huh.
living in a jungle. So
Oh,
just beautiful,
nice.
me and my friends. So I
Uh-huh.
had a very good time.
So what is the best gift you have received in 2020?
I don't know. I think a lot of self analysis, and actually,
Mhm.
that's what I learned, that I should
Okay.
be not analyzing myself, should
Okay.
not be judging myself. There's so many things, I
Okay.
feel that this lockdown has made me a better person.
Oh, really?
Does that make sense?
Yeah, quite. Does that make like you were a bad girl before, now I become a good girl?
I'm a bad guy.
Bad girl. Okay, one expensive mistake. Tell me one expensive mistake.
So I don't think I've made any expensive mistake. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I've done that. Yeah, I've done some wrong films. The films that I didn't, I think, why did I do it in Punjab? That can be an
Okay.
expensive mistake.
Mistake. That for the producer?
No, for me, I wasted my days
Yeah,
and
energy,
my
energy and days on
energy.
that.
And energy
Okay,
is very
okay.
expensive.
And say yes, exactly. So
Yeah.
this is random. One actor you really want to date.
I don't know, for some reason, only girls are coming in my head.
Oh my god, that's
Like
okay. Still,
someone that I really like, actors. I
uh
mean, I like actors also, but I like actresses
okay,
more.
okay,
um,
okay. Then I'll
one
put it this way. I'll put it this way then. So you're gonna be stranded in an island for like another month or so. So who do you like to take as a company?
Tabu,
Tabu?
Charlie, Charlie's Theron.
Just
Yeah,
two will
I
be
think
fine.
these two are fine.
Next question. One thing that mom and dad still scolds you for. Beta, ye karna, you didn't do that, you didn't do this. So one thing they still scold you for.
To manage my finances. I'm very bad at
Okay.
that. So my dad
Uh-huh.
keeps telling me, "Ki manage your finances. You know, you should know
Okay.
how to save money. You should know how to."
Oh, that's okay. Maybe down the lane we'll just learn more of financial
Yeah.
management. Yeah.
Yes, we will.
Oh, okay. Okay. Somebody is trying to catcall. For example, I'm gonna catcall. I'm gonna tease you or if tease you. So you're gonna respond to me. Okay. So this is gonna be a scenario. You're walking down the road. So I'm just doing this in Malayalam. Yeah, മോനെ ഇതെന്താ ഇത് ചരക്കാണല്ലോ. So what would be that means a mal yaar. So what would be your response?
Sorry, bol.
Ah,
Sorry, bol.
more anger. I want to see more anger.
Sorry, bol.
Uh-huh.
Sorry, bol. And if you don't say sorry,
Okay. 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 I think mostly the guy would have said sorry.
yeah, in
Okay.
Godha,
So.
I asked the guy to say sorry at
Uh-huh.
least 7, 8 times, but in real
Yeah.
life, I will only ask 2 or 3 times.
After
The
that, it's
next,
gonna be.
after that is my move.
Oh, okay. 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 So, Vamika Gabi, are you single? Are you
Yes,
single?
I'm single. Why do you think I'm not?
Vamika, so what about your marriage plans? If you get an opportunity to marry a Malayali.
Uh, I don't know. Maybe, maybe not. Like, Mamana ode onnam tonnale makkale.
Ah, wonderful. So you're really following what is trending down here. That's really nice. Yeah. Cool, 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 cool. Okay. That is
Did I say it
that.
right? Huh? Did
Yeah,
you
yeah,
understand
yeah.
what I said?
Yeah, yeah. Everyone understood what he said. That that was really, really, so sweet of you. So, anyway, all the best for all your upcoming projects.
Thank you.
Yeah, we would really love to see you more down here in Kerala.
Yes, I will. I will be
Okay.
doing a lot of stuff once the pandemic ends and world gets back to normal. Everything. I wish everyone a very, very, very happy Onam. I wish I was in Kerala to celebrate with all of you. But social distancing, stay safe, and happy Onam.
Okay. Thank you so much for being on the show, Vamika.
Thank
We would
you.
really love to meet you in person and have this conversation face to face soon.
Yes, for sure. Why not?
Okay. A lot of love and prayer from down here in Kerala. Okay.
Thank you so much, Litvin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Hamid.
Bye. Take care.
Bye. Bye. Take care. Take care. Bye. Bye.
ഈ ഓണം ആഘോഷിക്കാം ചെന്നൈ സിൽക്സിനൊപ്പം. ഫോർ മോർ ഡീറ്റെയിൽസ് ലിങ്ക് ഇൻ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ.